Yo, what is up, guys? Back at it again with a new video. So today is January 1st of 2021. Happy New Year, everybody. So current time, it's 11:28 p.m. and I'm just gonna go over my month of December. Again, I just want to say Happy New Year, guys. Yeah, so let's get right into it. So Tuesday the 1st, a loss of 741 for that week. That was my only trade of the week, and that was a $7.41 loss for week 1. And so for week 2, we go into it on Monday the 7th with a loss of $3.45 and then plus a gain of $6. Following that is a profit of 43 cents on the 8th, and then on the 9th, $11.40 gain, and no trades on that Tuesday and Friday, and closing the week for week 2, doing 4 trades and a profit of $14.38, and so that's positive $6.97 from that 741. And so for week 3, loss of $4 for the 14th, and then on the 15th, 2 losses of 97 cents and $7.90. No trade on Wednesday, and on the 17th, a loss of $7.95, and on the 18th, a profit of $9 and 2 losses after that, 31 cents and 51 cents. Doing 7 trades for week 3. Lost $5.48, and so that equaled out to be $1.49 for profit. And so for week 4, we come in strong on the 21st, $2.24 gain. After that, it's the 22nd with a 54 cent profit plus $2.81 of profit. And Wednesday the 23rd, 29 cents profit, and on the 24th, a 55-cent profit. And then on the 25th, that was Christmas, market was closed, doing 4 trades, positive $6.43, equal out to be $7.92 for closing that week 4. And then for week 5, on the 28th, a profit of 29 and $5.09 for profit. On the 29th, I get hit with a large loss of $17.51, and then on the 30th, $1.64 loss, and then ending the year with a loss of $16.76. So I pretty much closed the 2020 how the 2020 was. So for week 5, I did 5 trades, and then I lost $27.25, and that equaled out to be a profit loss for the month of December, which was $19.33, doing 21 trades. And so this month, I ended pretty horrible, closing the 29th and the 31st. I got punched in the gut with those 2, but I'm gonna talk over my trade for the 29th. I'll have that clip put in right here. Current time is 11:07 p.m. of December 29th of 2020, and so I did 1 trade today, and it was on NTN. And so my prediction for this trade was I wanted to see bounce right here towards the 220-ish or so, even right about here at the 236s, and then bounce up. But let's look at it at so we could see right here, pre-market touched $3.17. Okay, so let's go to the 1-year 1-day chart. So what I thought today could be was that today could be a 3rd green day, and it could look like one of these big green candles. So this one was a high of high of $5.20. This high was $7.76, and then this red candle was $6.75. And so and I also had a different prediction. Okay, I also thought that if it couldn't break out that, it could look like one of these right here. Oh, that's kind of too close. It could look like one of these right here. Oh, that's kind of not good. It could look like one like this right here, like this, or even like this, right? So this right here, and or even you could say even one right here. But let's look at it intraday. So we see it intraday, pre-market. So this high right here was about touching $3, and this high was $3.17, and so it spikes up, touching low of $2.42, and then high of $2.86. So let's measure that from that from this low of $2.41, touching the high of this day was $2.86. I didn't even see how much that was. $2.86. So about 18% of upside, okay, and 45 cents of spread. And I bought right here at $2.65, right about the top, okay. And right after it spikes up to high of $2.70, so about 5 cents of upside, and then turnover, and I'm up 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after the crash, okay. And so after I bought, I didn't have a risk in mind, but I was looking at like around 230ish or so. But so I had about 243 for risk, and then about 230. It was 230 my risk. But I honestly was really hoping it was exact. I think that's what it was. I was hoping that it could be a bigger, like one of those big candles, because we're in holiday trading. And so I was very bullish on one of these trades. Again, I wanted to see it go to the high fives, honestly. And I guess I was not convicted. Like, I didn't convict myself that it could go back up. I was holding and hoping, honestly, on this trade. Yeah. So looking at it, this was a horrible trade. This humbled me so good. Like, honestly, yeah. I kind of don't have words for this, but like, honestly, this was a horrible trade. Looking at it, hindsight, this is what I honestly needed to refocus myself and just talk out loud on this trade. What I should have done, I had a split decision in my head that I was like, okay, I'm up like about $2, and I wanted to sell for some reason, but I didn't. But it was just a quick thought that just ran through my mind, and I kept on holding, and I stepped away from my computer like a little bit after this. And I come back, and it's like trading around like 255 or so around here. And I'm just looking at it fade, and right here, so from right about here, I'm like, it starts to stair step. I'm like, okay, it's going red, green, lower red, bigger green, low red, bigger green, and I should have decided to sell right here at 239. That would have been a nice smaller loss, but still I was kind of holding and hoping, honestly, for this one, but this humbled me, and I'm going to study more of my trades, study other material, and this was a $17 loss and 50 cents, $17.50 loss, and so this wiped out my whole month's gains plus more, and so this was a horrible trade. Honestly, I'll still be trading tomorrow, which will be the 30th. But honestly, I need to set up a risk reward, have everything planned out beforehand. Remember, I was up before, like 30 minutes before the market was open. So I was still looking at the stock market, and I was looking at other trades. So I was looking at AMRH, AREC, OEG, GBR, and NTN, and none of them did what I wanted to, and so I think I was just too eager to get into a trade, which was a horrible. Looking at it now, it's a great learning lesson, honestly. But why risk potential disaster? So you guys could hear it in my voice. I'm pretty bitter about it, but it's just a learning lesson. Just don't repeat the same mistake again. And so the better opportunity would have been to get in right here and sold right there. Other than that, 7%. Other than that, I would say your best bet was that. So I'll still have NTN on my watch list to see when that spike would be on the 1 year, 1 day chart. So like one of these. But I'll be prepared for that, honestly. I'm going to be prepared for that. And so that was in, what month was this? June. And then what is this? August? Yeah, June and August. But yeah. And so that was that trade. And so what I'm going to do is going to go over my my profit for my highest profit was on the 9th, so $11.40. That was on FRAN, OTC stock. What did I do? Won $11.40. Bought FRAN for technical move. Sold way too soon. Profit of $11.48. Highest it went was $3.69. Very well trade. I should have had a risk. This could have easily turned. I should have held a tad longer. Although I'm pleased on this trade, I could have done a better job by holding a bit longer. Singles, not home runs. Have risk planned out to the trade. Be able to be quick as I was on this trade. And so this was for the ending of 2020. And so I want to look back at 2019. I was trading with the larger account, and so as you could see, I was spending at least about $800 to $1,000, $600 to $1,000 on a trade, from 145.71 cents to 19.33 is pretty fair deal. As you could see, I had 4 losses. 4 losses, 2 profits. But overall, I am improving, learning, being better at trading stocks. But on that being said, I really hope this year is a lot of growth, profitability, and just lots of learning and lots of opportunity there. I don't know what to expect in 2021, but it's just to expect greatness. But be able to adapt to any situation you're in. Be able to cut your losses immediately. Keep learning. Become a master at whatever craft you're doing. But that's pretty much it for my month of December. Let's move into January strong. Remember, it's new beginnings. Peace out, guys.